So right now, our police departments have changed some of their operational guidelines where they may not come if you call them. Maybe each department has slightly different ones, but I do know that that's what we're hearing and seeing. Certain situations where a police officer would always show up in the past no longer might happen, and that could be in an accident where somebody not only received a damage to a personal property, may have received some physical injuries?
That's right, Ross. So different precincts moving forward procedurally in different ways. Mm-hmm. So, for example, the Louisville Metro Police Department announced last week that they were going to stop responding to what they classified as low-priority claims. Mm-hmm. And the chief of police out there is Steve Conrad. And Mr. Conrad did a press conference, and he explained that those types of complaints would include things like loitering, alarmingly, actually, some forms of minor burglary, some forms of domestic dispute, and some forms of automobile collision, like hit-and-run accidents.
Yeah. So that changes some of the things. If somebody's been injured, whether it be physical or financially injured, there may not be that document that we're always told to get, which is the police report, because there may not be one.
Yeah, you're absolutely correct. Obviously, by way of automobile collisions, this presents a problem because the police officer's not responding to the wreck and can't document what happened or what most nearly happened. Yep. And so really it's left to the individuals that were involved in that collision to document the scene. And so at this time, we as a law firm are recommending that if you are involved in a collision and you have reached out to the authorities and they're not responsive or are not able to get out to you, that if you are not severely injured, that you get out of your car, exchange auto insurance information as you ordinarily would, and then take the additional steps to photograph the scene almost immediately, pull out the video camera on your cell phone and kind of record what's going on.
Yeah, if
that way when authorities can get to you or can reach out to you later on, you'll have everything ready to go.
Talking about the fact that we still need to take that, make a report to our insurance company, because under Kentucky law, we're supposed to all have some insurance on our vehicle. We should go ahead and do that, correct?
Absolutely. Yeah. After documenting the scene, not while you're there. Go ahead and drive home if your vehicle is operable and you feel like you're healthy enough to do so. But once you get home, be sure and make a report to your insurance carrier. In an incident of a hit and run, you definitely want to go ahead and make that claim because the coverage that you're going to have for your injuries are going to come from your own insurance policy and not the policy of the person that hit you and fled.
Because you don't have that person.
And then in all other instances, there's notice requirements in your policy of insurance that says you got to let your insurance company know in order to bring a claim.